Welcome to Cengage Learning's Keyboarding and SAM self-training video series, Numeric Keypad Drills. Keyboarding and SAM offers drills that assist students with learning how to quickly and efficiently use the numeric keypad on their keyboard. To access these drills, students will begin by navigating to the Activities tab of the course they are in, then finding the category called Numeric Keypad. By default, this will appear at the bottom of the list of assignments, unless the instructor has changed the order of the assignments. Click on Numeric Keypad and you will see all keying drills designed for the numeric keypad. To begin a lesson, click on it. You will see that the keypad lessons have been especially designed to display just the numeric keypad. Looking at the task list, you will see that just like the other keying drills, Numeric Keypad has activities for learning the keys, improving keystroking, and developing skills. Clicking on any task will bring you directly to that task, or you can use the arrow buttons to navigate through the content by going forward or back one task. Many tasks will have a technique tip at the top right that gives you tips on the best way to approach the drill. Follow the instructions provided, and you will receive feedback on your performance. When you have finished the assignment, press Submit to submit your attempt to the instructor of the course. Thank you for taking this time to review this self-training video. Additional support information can be found at the instructor support page.